Yo. This is Forest Gold. Happy Xmas, everyone. Happy New Year in advance. In today's video, I'm going to give you a special boom and crash spike catching strategy, which is a special Xmas free strategy. I was talking with one of my VIP client members today, and he was able to entice me to give him a simple strategy that he can be able to trade the market consistently, daily, and catch spike. So let's dive into the main scenario for this awesome spike catching strategy. So let's dive in now. So in today's session, we are going to have three things involved. Number one, we are going to have the strategy rules. Number two, we are going to have the entry, that is the entry point. We have the exit, next SH/SL or higher time frame, demand or supply zone respectively. And also on the bonus tip, I'm going to give you which is the best time frame combination for me that I used to use this strategy. I'm also going to share you some live result you can see exactly here. Here we are having some special boom and crash spike catching signals already here running with this awesome spike catching signal. You can see today is XMAS and today is 25th of December and that is the day I'm previewing and sharing this video for you so that I can be able to use this New Year strategy, catch spike daily, scalping the boom and crash, especially the boom 1000 and the crash 1000 respectively. So let's dive in now. So you can see this is a special boom and crash spike strategy I created for one of my friends. So I tried to give him a simple strategy that he can be able to trade and be making money consistently trading the boom and crash market. This is a signal we entered yesterday in our VIP group ahead of today, and we were able to have more than 400 pips target catching spike trading the boom and crash signals. So this is our 15-minute time frame. You can see yesterday we give a signal market tap into this our order block, and we're able to catch the spike up to this level. We're even closing some trades. So we are going to use this daily candle of yesterday and be able to analyze our entry for today, which is the basic concept behind this strategy I'm going to share with you, which is an awesome spike catching strategy. So let's dive in now. So you can see for the strategy rules, we have only one basic rules, which is the CTR, candle range theory, CRT, candle range theory. That is the main concept and the main scenario of today's strategy. So what the candle range theory says, CRT, this theory states that every candle is a range on a lower time frame. That's the first condition. And the second condition says every candle had its own power of 3 on a lower time frame. This is exactly what the candle range theory says. So let me give you a simple explanation of what the candle theory says. The candle range theory states and explains that for every candle you see like this, it has its own power of 3, that is one, and it also a range in the lower time frame. Like, look at it now. This is a daily candle. Daily candle is a range in a daily because it has 4 hours time frame, it has 1 hour time frame, it has daily time frame, it's hour. So every candle you see, it's a range on its lower time frame. Every candle you see, this is it. Every candle you see, it's a range on a lower time frame, and every candle has its own power of 3, and that is what you need to understand. So every candle have its own accumulation, manipulation, and distribution pace. Every candle has its own manipulation, accumulation, and distribution pace, and that is the simple concept you need to understand and scalp and make consistent profit with this awesome strategy. You can see we have made profit with it since yesterday. We have gotten our entry today earlier in the VIP group, though I didn't post it because hide signals this XMAS, so it's not everyone that's online. That's why we have not bothered to give you. We give some signals between me and one of my members, and we are able to book and take some good trades even today. Even this one that was able to take this trade today here, this is our entry point. This is where our entry point was. This is our entry point for this strategy. Use this 15-minute time frame and we'll get our entry point and we'll market move up. So now what I want you to understand is that for every candle you see, it has its own accumulation, manipulation, and distribution pace. So since you already know that one, what you need to do is that we are going to identify our entry. Entry is the double bottom on 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame. That is the two things. The second you need to understand. You need to understand, you need to have a 15-minute time frame and a 5-minute time frame double bottom price action confirmation on the lower time frame. That is what you needed. An entry, whenever you want to have your entry, make sure it should be on 5-minute or 15-minute chart, double bottom chart pattern at least. And you can use the higher time frame and to spot the trade. Example of this trade now we entered in our group. Like this one now, we use the daily. Let's go to the daily time frame. We use the daily. This is the 4 hours. We use the daily. Look at it. We use the daily. Look at it. We use the daily. So what happened was we mark the close of yesterday's candle and 50% retracement of the yesterday candle. And look at it. Look at it here. When this is the close of yesterday's candle, this is the open of today's candle, and today's candle start to come and manipulate downward and go back up and break above the highs. As the price go back, as the price come down to this area to retest, as you notice, there was a bullish candle here. You mark the highs and you mark the lows, and candle was able to start trading below 50% range of yesterday's candle. You'll just go and mark that range, and that is the same range you mark here. If you mark the range, whenever the candle trying to push off higher, you'll just go to your 15-minute time frame, look for double bottom confirmation and enter. You put double bottom confirmation and enter your trade. You just go to 15-minute time frame, look for double bottom confirmation and enter your trade. So that is what you need to understand about this XMAS price action scalping strategy. Is a scalping strategy. Whenever you take your trade, make sure you target the next highs or the next lows. That's what I'm going to talk about in this next point of the market agenda. Exit next swing high or swing low or higher time frame demand zone or supply zone. It's as simple as that. If you want to take this trade, after you have taken your trade, whenever you want to place your exit target or your take profit, you should target the previous next high and the previous next low. Let me show you what I mean here. Look at this one now. I come down to the 15-minute time frame. Look at it. You see, this is 15-minute time frame. Look at what happened. This is a double bottom confirmation. Look at it. This is a double bottom price action confirmation, and this is the main confirmation I used to enter my trade, go off higher into this market range. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, a special channel that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. We trade the synthetic indices boom and crash, and also we trade the gold, and we give free VIP signals every day, and we also have VIP signals for those that want to invest in themselves and want to invest in their trading career. So let's dive into this final hour sum into the I want to give you, which is how you are going to use the best time frame combination in order to have this kind of trading setup that I have, which is having a very good reasonable number of pips for me, catching spike, trading the boom and crash market. You can see even using our strategy we are getting. So me, I use this a lot of confluences about the rules from the strategy. I also have another rules that I use from my own system, which is a premium system like this we are seeing. That's why we're able to take this high quality trade going off. Happy XMAS to everyone. Happy New Year in advance to everyone. This is a special spike. You see, market spike just spiked now. From 1000 just spiked now again, and it will continue spiking. It will continue spiking because price action is meant to obey the rules, and market will continue make sure to obey the rules. This is Forex Gold, and nice to have you now. See you in my next video. In my next video, I'm going to talk about change of character, which is the last video I supposed to create, but because of this special XMAS spike catching strategy, I was unable to produce that. If you want to know the best time frame, the best time frame to take this strategy, as I used to do, I used to look for my trading setup on the daily and the 4 hours chart. If I get my trading setup on the daily and the 4 hours chart, I will quickly go down to the 15-minute chart and get my entry trigger. You see, this is that's why I told you we use our 15-minute chart to get our entry confirmation. You see, this is a double bottom. Price come into this range. There was a huge spike up, back price into the range, and when price go back into this, I get to, okay, this was a liquidity sweep, and what happened? Price started to go off higher, and that's why we are holding this trade, and that's why we are making profit with it, and that's how you can be able to be scalping the boom 1000 index and the crash 1000 index daily. But make sure all your entries, you exit them before the end of the day. If you enter in the morning during the London session or the European session, after the US session 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m, you can be able to take profit and look for another entry tomorrow, because especially if you are using the daily candle as your entry trigger time frame. So nice to see you now. See you in my next video, and make sure you click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop a very nice strategy like this, you will be among the first people YouTube should be able to notify, so they can be able to get the first latest update, and we're able to make the most amount of profit together. We'll be able to catch the number of pips together. We'll be able to catch the best pips together trading the boom and crash. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.